All right, hello everyone. This is a quick demonstration. Once again, I'm using Dead Reckoning. I'm going to just click right over here, and here's where we're starting. So if you take a look, they actually want you to get the lightning bolt, then get the rubber duck, and then head over to the pad at the end. So a couple things I'm going to do first is I don't need a while loop. A while loop will keep going around. I just need to go straight from top to bottom and finish this thing. So I'm just going to take the while loop away for this one. The next thing I'm going to do is before anything, I'm going to reverse my left wheel. The reason I have to do that is because of how they're positioned on the robot. They would go like this, but when they switch, they're actually going opposite. You can code that one wheel opposite, but it starts to get confusing. So all you do is this. You grab motor left direction, you put it at the very top. All right, there you go. Now, I want this thing to go forward. So I'm going to hit DC motor. Let's see. I can hit, it's not giving me the dual. Oh, there it is. Dual is nice. It's a shortcut. I'm going to set it to 1. Now, this is pretty good. Let's run it and see. Let me just move my stupid face over here. Let's run it. So it's going, but now it's just ramming into the wall. That's good. I need it to stop about right here so I can turn. So I'm also going to get dual, and I'm going to head it to 0. Now, if I run it now, it doesn't move because it just goes right through. It says full power, then 0. It's imperceptible. It may have moved a millisecond. Who knows? So what I want to do is I want the program to pause for a moment. I'm going to have it pause for 1 second, and then it will stop. Let's see. Let's run it. All right, it's a little too far, so I'm going to change for how long it pauses. So what's happening is it's going it's going full power. Pause the program so we can get to where it's going, then keep going so it can stop. Let's make this 600. See what happens. That's pretty good. I'm going to make it like 550. All right. Bam, perfect. Now this pattern, set power to 1, sleep, and then set it to 0, is the pattern you're going to do again and again. So I'm actually just going to right click and duplicate these. DTT. All right, let me move this up and just bigify it a little bit. Oh geez, I lost my, what am I looking at, the ceiling here? Oh man. This is so annoying when this happens. Let's see, I think I can do WASD can help. And spacebar, spacebar will make you go up. Okay, there you go, we're back. WASD, I'm sure that's happened to some of you, so I'm glad that happened to me. All right, so now I want to turn. So right here, this is going to be my turn command. But if I want to turn, I need 1 to go forward, and I'm turning left. So in my mind, if my right foot goes forward and my left foot goes back, that'll turn me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my left foot go negative, my right foot go positive, and I'm making it a very short amount because it's only going a little bit to turn. Whoa. This kind of had a skid to it. All right, not quite enough. Let's make this 140. Oh, not 1401. All right, let's run it. All right, pretty good. Now I'm noticing I'm skidding. That's not what I want. So what I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to make only go half. Like, if you're in a car and you're flooring it, your car is going to go weird. So I'm going to double this. I'm going to change this so it goes slower. Whoa, what just happened? Something just totally went weird. It just turned. It just wasn't enough. Oh, it's supposed to be 1100. So I made my speed go half, and then I made my time go double. There we go. Pretty good. I think I'm just going a little too far here. Let's make this 120. Perfect. Now I want it to go forward again. So I'm going to do that same pattern. I'm going to have it go, give it power, sleep the program so that it can actually go for a moment, like pause the program, and then set it to 0. If you don't set it to 0, it'll just keep doing whatever you said to do last. I want it to go straight forward, probably not for 1100. So you can kind of guess and check on this. Let's see. Go, turn right, boom. Now I got two options. I can either turn around and go back, or I can just go in reverse. I think going in reverse will be easier. So I'm going to say duplicate. So I'm just remember there's this pattern. It's always the same. Let's go up here, and then I'm going to set to 0. Now, why am I setting this to 0.5? Well, when I was going full blast, I was noticing the program is actually making it skid a little bit or like drift. So if I go half power, it won't be as bad. And this is pretty far. So I'm going to say maybe 1200 milliseconds I want it to go. Let's see. Oops, I screwed this up. This needs to be negative to make it go backwards. Come on. You reset it, it makes it behave better. I want to go reverse. Now you could turn around your robot and have it go straight back. That's okay, but why do the extra work? All right, let's see what this says. Let's see. So I'm going to go forward, do my turn, and then full reverse, and then I should stop. I'm not quite stopped where I want to go. I'm going to stop right on it. So I'm going to make this maybe 1400. We got them both. All right. Let's see here. Boom, take a turn, go, and then back it up. Bam, that's pretty good. I can maybe even make this 1500. But that's it. And once you get to this point, you're just going to do a screen snip and put it in the dock that's in Google Classroom, which is just Windows Shift S. It goes dark. In a moment, it'll go dark. There it is. And then I just grab it. And now I can just go to the document, hit Control V, and just paste it right in. Easy. All right, so this is how to do that program. Just a quick review. I have it, first of all, I reverse that one motor. All right, then I have it go forward, pause the program so it has time to go forward, then I stop. Then I'm going to turn by having one wheel go forward and one wheel go negative, just for a short amount of time, and then stop. And then I'm going to go and get the, right here, this is going to go get the rubber duck, going straight for 800 milliseconds and stop. And then instead of turning around and going back, I'm just going to go backwards. Minus 0.5s for 1500 milliseconds and then stop. This is it. This is how you use dead reckoning. It's just go for a certain amount of speed for a certain amount of time. Okay, I hope that